In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Teamviewer logs. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential for monitoring your remote connections and troubleshooting any issues that may arise. Whether you're a Teamviewer novice or a seasoned user, this guide will help you navigate the steps with ease. To begin, let's launch the Teamviewer application on your local machine. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you have the latest version from the official Teamviewer website for optimal performance and security. Once Teamviewer is open, you'll find a variety of settings and options depending on your version and subscription plan. Next, locate the settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear or cogwheel symbol, usually found in the upper right corner of the application window. Clicking on this icon will open the Settings menu, which provides access to a range of configuration options for your Teamviewer experience. Within the Settings menu, look for the Connection Reports option. This is the area where you can view your log sessions. It's essential to understand that connection logs are a valuable feature for auditing your remote sessions, providing details such as the date, time, and duration of connections. They are especially useful for tracking user activity and ensuring security compliance. However, it's important to note that access to detailed connection logs depends on your Teamviewer subscription plan. If you are using the free version of Teamviewer, you might only see an option to upgrade your plan. The free plan does not provide access to these logs, which might limit your ability to review past sessions. If you frequently need to access connection reports, consider upgrading to a plan that includes this feature. It's a small investment for enhanced functionality and peace of mind. Navigating through Teamviewer's settings and understanding the limitations of your plan is crucial for effectively managing your remote connection needs. If you're managing a team or frequently connect to multiple devices, keeping track of these logs can help you maintain oversight and troubleshoot any issues that may come up. And that's all there is to it. Checking your Teamviewer logs is a simple process when you know where to look and what to expect. Understanding which features are available with your current subscription can make a significant difference in your overall experience. If you're uncertain or need more advanced reporting capabilities, exploring different plan options may be worthwhile. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Teamviewer experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy connecting!